Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to see dictionary in Python. Okay, so in my previous videos, you can go and check to the playlist. In my previous videos, I have covered already list, tuple, all this, and now we are seeing Python dictionary. So at the very beginning, when I have discussed that the data types of Python, the core data types of Python, there you must remember I have mentioned a data type called mapping. That is a mapping kind of data, and that is dictionary in Python. So dictionary is nothing but a mapping kind of data type, code data type in Python. Now, what is dictionary actually? Let me explain it to you all. Python dictionary is nothing but a collection of key and value pair. So, it will a pair of key and value within the curly braces, okay, and it will store a data like a map, which unlike the other data types like string, list and tuple, which will only hold a single value. For list in Python, I can say it will hold a sequential value like this. This is a list. If I create a tuple, suppose L, if t is a tuple, then it will be with the same numbers. If I write these are the values of tuple 1, 3, 4, 6. These are the elements of tuple or list. Okay, so list we denote with a square bracket and tuple we denote with a parenthesis. But if I want to make it a dictionary, it cannot be a single value. It must have a key and a value pair. So if I will write 1, B, I am taking here only 4. I am taking here only up to 4, 3 values. So here this is one value. Within quotes, I am writing B colon 3. This is another value, and C colon 4. This is another value. Okay. So just a minute. Basically, we are having a pair of values or value key value pair we are having. So a value key pair or key value pair is making one element inside a dictionary. So what is the difference between this dictionary, list and tuple? Mainly difference between this dictionary and list or dictionary and tuple is in list and tuple we can hold a single value, but in dictionary it will hold a pair of value, that is key and value. Okay, so this will be the main concept of dictionary. Now, creating a dictionary. Just to show you how to create a dictionary in Python. Today just I will show you the basic thing. In the next class, I will show you how to access and how to different function we can use in a dictionary, how to use inbuilt function with a dictionary. All these things we will learn in the next session. Just for today, I am just giving you the basic concept of dictionary. So creating Creating a dictionary. So suppose I am having some values called A, B, C, X, Y. These are the values I am having. I have to put these values inside a dictionary along with some keys. So if I write D equals to 1 colon A, A is a character, B is a character, C is another character, and 4 is a string. Why it is a string? Because there is two characters, consecutive characters are there, so it will make a string. Okay, now you can see there are 4 individual elements inside this dictionary are present, that is 1 colon A, 2 colon B, 3 colon C, and 4 colon XY. So if I take this first element, this is the first element of dictionary D. D is the name of the dictionary, mind it. As we define any list, any tuple, any string, or any variable, integer variable, floating point variable, similarly we can define a dictionary. Okay, so 1 is the key over here, this 1 is the key, and this A is the value, right? Now if I want to access the value along with its key or with the help of its key, I don't know what is the value. Suppose I only know what are the keys. The keys are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, this 1, 2, 3, and 4 is the keys. So if I want to access the value of the dictionary, I have to write the key within third bracket, and let's write the name of the dictionary over here. Okay, so this print statement will give you what is the value along with 2, that is B. So this will give you B. So if you are having Python in your laptop or in your desktop, in your smartphone, so you can run this code or this kind of code to see what will be the output of this small piece of code, right? So you can try it out and see what is the output of this piece of code. Okay, in the next video we will discuss actually what are the functions of the dictionary, and I will show you a whole code with dictionary, that how to access the elements of a dictionary, how to create a dictionary with the input of keyboard. You can take the inputs from the keyboard as well. Okay, so let's meet up in the next session. Till then, keep learning, and please like, share, and subscribe my video, my channel, to get the updates. And if you like the video, must share and like it. Thank you very much.